Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're searching for a lightweight cordless vacuum that makes everyday cleaning quick and effortless, the Shark Pet Cordless Stick Vacuum 9141AMZ is definitely worth a look. Designed for busy homes and pet owners, this cordless vacuum combines powerful suction with the freedom to clean without being tied to a power cord. Whether you're cleaning carpets, hardwood floors, tiles, or rugs, it delivers reliable performance for everyday messes. One of the biggest highlights is its up to 40-minute runtime, giving you enough battery life to clean multiple rooms on a single charge. You can move freely throughout your home without stopping to switch outlets. The vacuum also features an XL dust cup, meaning you can clean longer before needing to empty it. That's especially useful if you have pets or a larger home where dirt and hair build up quickly. Pause. Pet owners will love its strong suction that's designed to pick up pet hair, dust, crumbs, and everyday debris from both carpets and hard floors. It also converts into a removable handheld vacuum, making it easy to clean stairs, furniture, curtains, car interiors, and shelves. Another useful feature is the built-in LED headlights, which illuminate hidden dust and pet hair under furniture, beds, and cabinets, areas that are often easy to miss during cleaning. The included crevice tool lets you reach tight corners, baseboards, and narrow spaces with ease, making whole home cleaning much more convenient. Despite its powerful performance, the Shark 9141AMZ remains lightweight and easy to maneuver, reducing fatigue during longer cleaning sessions. Pause. The only limitation is that the battery may require recharging for very large homes if you're doing a full deep clean. However, for everyday household cleaning, its runtime is more than enough. Overall, if you want a cordless vacuum that's lightweight, versatile, excellent for pet hair, and packed with practical features like LED headlights and a removable handheld unit, the Shark Pet Cordless Stick Vacuum 9141AMZ is an excellent choice. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews. I'll see you in the next video.